One of the most dangerous things that can happen while using power tools is to have them kick back at you. Kickbacks occur when a tool's blade or bit binds up in the material that is being cut, and the force of the motor drives the tool towards you. This can result in a serious laceration, even an amputation. You shouldn't have to exert much pressure on a tool to make it work. If it feels like a tool is fighting you, the cutting edge may be getting dull. Use carbide-tipped blades and bits whenever possible. They hold their edge longer. If the blade is sharp, the problem may be with the material. For instance, wood can be difficult to cut if it has big knots or it is wet, so choose your stock carefully. Other things that you should do to prevent kickbacks include using the correct blade or bit for the job that you are doing, making sure that material doesn't shift by clamping it down or having someone help you to hold it in place, allowing tools to come up to full speed before trying to make a cut, keeping both hands on tools for better control, and changing directions gradually so that you don't jam the blade or bit into the material. Always unplug your tools before changing blades or bits and allow some time for them to cool. Using a tool creates a lot of friction, which can cause blades and bits to become extremely hot. Be careful that you don't cut your hands. Wear gloves whenever possible. When discarding blades, wrap them in cardboard or several layers of newspaper so that people handling the trash won't cut themselves either. Once you have finished with a tool, clean it and put it away to ensure that it's ready for the next time that you need it.